So going from carbon to a whole brand new design. Boom! All right, welcome back to another episode. Today we have a pretty cool project in the shop. This is a sprint car. I believe this type of sprint car is called a Midget, if I'm not mistaken. It has a 4-cylinder engine in it. Don't know quite how much horsepower this thing makes, but if you've ever seen it, it's pretty sick and it's pretty intense for what type of racing this is. Basically like NASCAR, but on dirt, and these cars like drift around all the corners. It's like a formula, or it's like more like a Formula Drift in the dirt. Anyways, we're gonna do a full livery on this car. So going from carbon to a whole brand new design. I haven't even seen it yet, so it's gonna be a surprise to me too when I'm wrapping it. This is a direct drive too. So direct drive system, which means there's one gear. It's either it's going or it's not. In order to start this car, you have to push it, pop it into gear, and then they start driving. First things first, we just have to clean up the car because it's a little bit dirty. So we'll probably just end up alcohol wiping the whole thing. It doesn't really need much. It's not like, there's no dirt really on it. It doesn't really sit outside. It sits inside most of the time. I believe I only have to take off some parts too, like this little side cage thing down here.
Coming out pretty good, Josh.
Yes, sir.
Is this easy or hard to wrap?
Pretty on the easier side. I would say just some annoying areas, but other than that, it's pretty easy.
Yeah, usually when we wrap this for this client, we usually weed these out separately. And that's the first time we include the little Dave bear, but on this one we wanted to just kind of make it more easier. It's a little bit harder to install, but less die cutting, labor, and separate and trying to color match and stuff like that. So
we have another one of these coming in like about a couple days.
Yeah, once this one gets picked up, the other one's gonna be dropped off. We have to finish that one in like 2 days, and then they're off to race.
Finish number 1, and we'll get on to number 2.
Some time later.
All right, guys, what's up? Just got the second Midget dropped off. Gonna start unwrapping it. There's a couple panels on here that need to get unwrapped, and then we're gonna start prepping it and knocking this one out. This has to be done in 1 day. It has to be printed and wrapped. I think we can get it done. We got the other one done pretty damn fast, so I think we can get this one done just as quick. So the other one was like a off-white green look, and this one's gonna go, I think, like an off-white red look. I'm gonna finish unwrapping the panels. We're gonna get the wrap printed right now. This is where we cut all our graphics out.
Oh, hello.
Are you using the women's bathroom?
First of all, how dare you misgender me in 2024? Second of all, this isn't Chris's shop. How did I get a rap legend?
This guy.
Oh, wow, dude. All right, see you later. Sorry, I don't know. There must be a portal here. Wrong. Here, let me go back to the right bathroom.
It's good.
YouTube cuts. Made it.
All right, guys, that's a wrap for today. Knocked out the sprint cars on time, thank goodness. This one's just about to leave right now. It was a lot of fun wrapping these things, as always. All right, guys. Just knocked out the sprint car. This thing was a lot of fun working on. This thing was a lot of fun to work on. Anyways, guys, thank you all for watching this video. We really appreciate your guys' support. Make sure you guys check out our website. It'll be right here down below. Let's go and check that out, see what we got going on there. Also, guys, make sure you like and subscribe. Always stay tuned to see what we got coming up next, and we'll see you in the next one.